little mice tail this morning. Give it a try. Some trout dip. I've caught many a fish here. That's a money spot. Hold on, he knows how to set it. First fish of the morning, Mr. Miles.
Cutie.
Little guy. Nice. Little guy on the mice tail. Very nice.
First of the morning.
First of the morning for him.
He ate it pretty good.
Oh yeah. Fish on. Still a pretty small fish, but a little bigger. Nope. Why isn't he fighting at all?
They aren't fighting at all this morning.
Huh. That's actually a good one.
Yeah.
Nice net job. Got a fish. Nice.
Let's pull them all the way in. He's so small, he just probably went into a rock.
Yeah.
Microscopic.
Keep the guy in there. He's a nice guy.
Nice.
Okay.
They just also done
Kind of a small one.
Yeah, but he looked
Nice.
right in the pan.
There it goes. Yeah.
He's coming.
He's a nice one.
Yeah, he's nice.
You guys are gonna be eating good tonight.
Nice.
Wow.
Good teamwork, guys.
Oh, he's long. He's so beautiful.
Beautiful.
I thought I saw him hitting it.
Pretty boy.
Good job, Kel.
Fisherman,
Mr. Miles. Richard's on over here.
Had 5 minutes. Rainbow garlic.
Rainbow garlic. It seems to be getting bit today.
Sean?
He's just swimming in.
Just a small guy.
I'll lift him, I think. Pretty much all of them have enough salmon eggs.
Come on, boy.
Oh, it's a good one. Really good one.
You dragging?
No, it's right here in front of us.
Try and get him through here.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
There, I got him.
Nice job, guys.
Yeah.
It's on the garlic power bait.
Was it?
Yeah.
It's a
Nice job, guys.
Nice fish.
I heard your little bell go jingle, jingle, jingle.
Nice. Thank you for watching it.
Look at runner.
Right here,
He's
right
coming
here, right here, right here.
Get him, get him, get him.
Yeah.
Nice net job.
He's a big
wow,
one.
that's
Yeah.
a nice.
The bigger one.
No, no, pick it up, pick it up.
Is that it?
Great set,
baby.
great set, bro. Woo! Okay, keep the line tight. Nice. I think I'm gonna have you cast out the next pole. Man, Miles.
We just sit here, he baits and casts all poles.
Oh, he's
Oh,
going.
is he on? Is he stuck?
No,
Yeah.
he's trying to though.
Where is he?
Hold on.
He's trying to. He's running.
Oh yeah, he's out.
Oh, that's a good one.
Here, I got the net, I got the net.
Miles is over here, Mr. Fisherman.
Word. You can get the POV.
Yeah, I got it. Oh, this is a good one, Miles.
He just snapped.
Just broke the line.
Oh no! Oh no!
It was big too.
He was a big one. So it's okay. At least you're getting
I'll
hit.
Get him again.
Ooh, Skippy! Oop, oop, get him, get him! Oh. Underneath him, bro, underneath him!
Oh my God, get him!
There, you got him.
He is a jumper.
That was a Richard net.
Big fish. What was this one on?
Nice.
Whatever, Dylan
Oh, he's
threw
peeing.
out. You want to reel him? Or you want a net?
He'll net it.
I'm gonna net.
Alright.
Don't get your shoes so wet.
You don't get all wet.
Oh wow.
Nice.
Oh
Big
wow.
boy.
Don't miss it this time.
Oh no. Ma!
Oh,
no.
Shoes are wet.
shoes wet?
But he isn't.
Here we are at the Big Bear Dam. The water is very high. Here you can see the water level on the dam, and it says we're about 5 feet from full. The water is high. There's still a little bit of snow on the ground, but not too much. Days have been warmer, so a lot of the water's melting, but beautiful day up here.